Hello and good morning everyone. So it is the 19th of June, Sunday, and the time is about 5:35 in the morning. We are about to leave for a ride. I'm just waiting for one of my friends outside the society where we live. And here is our Dominar prepared, ready for a ride as usual. So the destination is somewhere in Himachal Pradesh. It's obviously a very short ride. We're going to return in a couple. We return back home in a couple of hours. So I'm not sure अगर आप लोगों ने मेरी पिछली वीडियो देखी है. I went on a ride with a couple of superbikers. So yeah, they're the same people that I'm riding with today. And ये ride exclusively Harley Davidsons के लिए है. So I think 90% of the bikes involved will be Harley Davidsons. And my friend here had good terms with them. He used to own a Harley Davidson previously, so I think that's the reason उन्होंने हमें allow किया है to come along with a Benelli and a Bajajdominar. Destination का नाम मुझे बताया था, but then I seem to have forgotten just under the excitement of riding today. So let's see. I'm all geared up. Currently the GoPro is mounted on my helmet, so that's the reason this is the kind of view, but I'll try and record more videos today to share with you guys. Thank you. Up with the group, and I can see a couple of Harleys in front of me, and I think I've spotted Guru as well. He was saddling, so that's why I think I've noticed him. Yeah, I think that is him. Okay, so things have taken an interesting turn, and look at all these Harleys, the hogs. I am just going to overtake them and let Guru know that I'm here. Okay. And listen to the sound of this. Just amazing. Okay, Guruji, I'm here. मैंने कभी इतने सारे हार्ले डेविडसन एक साथ नहीं देखे हैं पूरी लाइफ में, इवन एट अ हार्ले शोरूम. देयर आर अदर बाइक्स एज वेल. दिस इज अ TVS RR 310. I am not sure why have we taken this detour, but then okay, just to avoid some traffic. Cool. And look at those foothills, just amazing. Can't wait to reach there. switched off anymore. Just listen to the sound of this. I just hope my microphone is working. It would be a shame to miss this sound. Oh. Oh, that's a Ninja. Way to go. So here we are enjoying the mountain curves. And कल रात को मैं बहुत लेट सोया था. I was having a lot of difficulty waking up in the morning, and trust me, I would have missed out on a lot of fun if I, had just slept through. Wouldn't miss this for 1 hour more sleep ever. Break. Yeah, I couldn't really miss that. So I think we are somewhere around Kasoli, but not sure. And I'll just give you guys a walk around of the motorcycles present here. So this is a Benelli TRK 500 and a lot of Harley Davidsons and other superbikes as well. And here is our Dominar.